Welcome back to Module 8. Before we jump in and do the assignment, I want to take a little bit more time with the engineering design process. There's a few things I want to make sure you guys know. So this is an iterative design. This is not the assignment that I'm showing you now. This is in the reading pathway and the video pathway. Excuse me, I need to cough. Hold on just a second. All right. The scenario, you are tasked with building a protective casing for an egg drop challenge. You build your first prototype out of popsicle sticks and bubble wrap. Let's look at how the engineering design process works in real time, okay? First, we're going to test that prototype. You're going to drop it from a certain distance and see if the egg survives. It did. So then you drop it from a larger distance, a higher distance. And the device cracks and the eggs break. So now you know that your design is good somewhere between 2 and 5 meters. Next thing you do is you open it up and you evaluate it. Why did it break? Why did it fail? You look at the wreckage and you realize the popsicle sticks were too rigid. They were stopping the device too quickly, making the collision time too short, which increased the force on the egg and broke the egg. So you iterate. You redesign and you create again, okay? Using your scientific knowledge of impulse, you decide to wrap the rigid popsicle sticks or replace them for flexible straws. That allows the device to compress upon impact, increasing the time of the collision and lowering the force on the egg. Then you test it again. You drop the new prototype, it survives the 5-meter drop. Awesome, okay? Conclusion. This is so important. Failure is a mandatory part of engineering. By testing and analyzing failures, engineers improve their design step by step. Also, by pushing our designs to failure, we know what our designs can and cannot handle. Okay, so it's so important to not worry about failure. Do not be afraid of failure. In this assignment, I would rather you fail and tell me why it fails, and then rather than, oh, yep, I built it and it worked and that's it. Okay, we really are as we play with these things. It's okay to fail. The way that you get the grade is by describing why it failed and how it was fixed, and doing it again. This module is a little bit different, and I'll talk about that. I talked about that in the module overview. So make sure you watch that. But I'm glad you're here. Next thing we're going to talk about is the assignment, and that will be in that video. Will be in the assignment. Okay. I'll talk to you then, and I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.